gotta skid over that way.
I'm all the way
You
in.
totally set me up here. Mr. Poon, you've got to move. She's getting something done today. What are you getting done?
I'm so excited, and I'm like just a tad nervous. Not a lot nervous, just a tad nervous. I'm getting KYBELLA done.
I have to say, I really admire my friend Coco for having the courage always to do the things that work best for her, in spite of what other people might think. And I am so proud of her for being that person.
And then they just inject the KYBELLA, which is liquid liposuction. And so it's just gonna be injected right here. Like lots of them, I think. And I'm gonna swell and get a goiter. It's supposed to be a natural substance that your body already reproduces, so it's not like putting something bad in.
So it's not putting poison in your skin?
No, not at all. He may put 2 syringes on me because I really want it right here too. Was a special buy 2, you get the 3rd syringe free. Or I can just bank it and use it when I want. And
or you could give me your syringe.
Yeah. You're too chicken.
I am, I'm such a chicken.
But you can use it on other parts of your body too. People have used it like right here.
Oh yeah, show my turkey fat.
You can use it right here, or you can use it on your belly.
We'd need like 20 syringes for my belly.
People have used it on their knees if they have a problem area on their knees.
Okay.
So there's lots of different ways we can use it.
He looks like, no. Look, he's already in dreaded fear for you.
He's camera shy.
That's right, the minute the camera comes on, he hides. Okay, so she's going to get her KYBELLA, and I'm going with her, and we're gonna film as much as the doctor lets us. Here we go.
Okay.
Let's go. How you feeling?
Excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I can't wait for my goiter.
Okay, look how beautiful the mountains are right now. We just had so much snow. Like that white tip is actually the mountains. Do you know what mountain that is?
San Gorgonio. When
Okay.
it's clear after a storm here in Redlands, Southern California, you can see all the mountains around. You've got San Gorgonio, the San Jacinto, and then you have Big Bear. It's just amazing. Palm trees and snow.
We don't have wild elks and moose that walk around. Like I was seeing one of our subscribers, I went on her YouTube and she had wild moose walking around her front yard. It was so cool.
Sweet.
I know.
We just have wild maniac drivers. It's cold today.
It's super cold. Yeah, she's wearing
57.
Oh. And I'm like, okay, barely wearing anything.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try to talk him into letting us video this. I know,
That can
fingers
be
crossed.
tricky because doctors are very private, and I respect him 100,000% if he doesn't want it. He might just let us take pictures, but we're keeping our fingers crossed that he'll let Tiffany just do some video of the injection procedure, maybe with him not in.
I'm gonna have to do it with my eyes closed though.
Yeah,
Because I can't see
she
needles.
will be falling on the floor, passing out.
I will.
All the attention will go to her. They're going to be worried about her, and I'll be laying there with a needle stuck in my neck. Like, oh, what about me?
That really will happen.
No, I know it will. Yeah, I saw her with a needle once, and it was quite impressive.
Yeah, I almost passed out.
I did see her with her bone hanging out of her
Oh, yeah.
in 2 places before.
Yeah, I fell off a ladder and the bone was hanging out of my leg. And I did put my foot back on my leg.
Mm-hmm.
I did do that.
She did.
I did. And I managed to do that, but
And she didn't pass out.
I didn't pass out at all. I'm a real good survivalist. It's just this extra stuff. Here we are. Here she goes.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes. I'm really nervous, but I'm really excited.
This is what Nicole does not like. Okay.
Well, I want them to be able to see what I'm talking
Okay.
about.
Now you're gonna freeze it. If we all could look like this 24 hours a day.
What are you talking about?
Laying on our back, you know how all the wrinkles go away and gravity takes everything. That's just to make it not hurt, right?
Yeah. They say you should eat pineapple after you have any kind of injection.
And before a whole day. Have you been eating pineapple?
My name's Dr. Apodaca at Pure Gold Medical Center. Today we're going to be injecting KYBELLA to the neck region. KYBELLA will dissolve the fat under the skin. Usually in a month you'll see results, and the oh wow results are in 3 months.
Ooh.
It's pretty impressive, and today we're going to be demonstrating injecting KYBELLA.
Nice.
We're going to be using ice, as you can see, and we're also going to be using the Zimmer cooler, and we're going to get started.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm excited.
So this is a KYBELLA, and this is the size of the needle, a very, very small needle. And we're going to be using the Zimmer to give her additional cold to the area so that it minimizes the discomfort. We're marking the very small jowl that she has here, and we'll dissolve the fat in that area. We're going to get started.
It does hurt. Kind of like you get soft in the jaw, huh?
We're going to inject the second half. And we're all done.
Wow.
She tolerated the procedure very well. She's very strong, very brave.
It really hurt. I have to say it wasn't like just getting fillers. How long does that usually last, doctor?
That burning will last you probably about 30 to 40 minutes.
Feels like I got kind of soft.
And it will be uncomfortable for about 3 to 7 days. And there will be swelling. Sometimes the swelling very rarely can be as long as 3-4 weeks, but normally within 7 to 10 days, most of the swelling has significantly subsided.
And how does it work? I don't know anything about this exactly. So
There's a certain chemical that interacts with the adipose tissue
okay.
and causes apoptosis or death of the cell. And this particular chemical has been around for many, many years. I used to use it quite a bit about 10 years ago,
Okay.
but it wasn't KYBELLA, it was
Something else.
compounded.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so
did
much,
wonder.
doctor.
So in 3 months you'll get the oh wow factor, huh?
Oh wow, look.
So how long? What did he say? When will you see any results?
You'll start seeing them like within a month or so.
Okay.
But by 3 months, you'll be like, oh wow. I know it'll be worth it, and it's calming down.
Is it? Okay.
But at first, like, this really hurt. But if this dissolves right here, and this, I'm gonna be so happy. And I love him. He's such a kind
he's
spirit.
such a sweet
very
doctor.
gentle doctor.
If I were gonna do any of this, I would come here for sure.
Oh my gosh. So it's already getting swollen. Can you see?
Oh, I can see. Oh, that means something's happening.
Will you take me to get some soup now?
Yes, let's go eat some pho.
Will you take care of me now?
I'll take care of you now.
Not too bad.
So how was that?
I feel like kind of sore, which he said I would, but
How about the procedure itself?
it hurt. But beauty's painful, right? No pain, no gain.
Yeah, but that was seriously, it was about 2 minutes, and it's gonna last how long?
Forever. Like it's like liposuction. It takes the fat away forever. Those mountains are so pretty with the snow on it. Like I just want to go to the snow and just lay my neck in the snow.
I thought you wanted to play in the snow.
Just put this, just lay face down in the snow right now.
You always have to have a reason to celebrate. Hello.
Right this way. Thank you.
It's been about an hour,
And I'm eating.
and whatever swelling that she has, it looks more like contour. It doesn't look swollen.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's great.
Cheers to all things amazing. So it's been 2 hours. Let's see
I
your
can
neck.
only be this swollen for 4 weeks, right? Because he said
you could be swollen
2
for-
weeks. Can't go up to 4 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks to 4 weeks. I guess there's a little swelling. There's a little bit of a gobbler going on there. Okay.
I bet tonight I'll do a check-in pic. I bet it'll be a lot bigger.
Okay. It's just, it makes you look like you gained like a few pounds on your neck, but not your face.
Well, they say when you get liposuction, the fat goes somewhere else. Like you still get fat just somewhere else. So where do you think this is gonna go?
Let's check on Coco and see how she looks the next day. A special thanks to Dr. Apodaca. And if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
See you on the next video.
See you later.
Bye.